Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we shall talk about the new chapter. The chapter is The Colonialism and the City, the story of an imperial capital. Dear students, this chapter is all about the establishment and growth of the small city into one of the largest city of the world. This chapter is all about the establishment of Delhi as the capital of number of kingdoms, its distractions, and again development of it as the capital of largest democracy of the world. Most of the modern city जो थी of the western world की emerged due to the industrialization. For example, industrial cities of the Britain like Leeds and Manchester grew rapidly in the 19th and 20th century. अगर हम दिल्ली की बात करें, दिल्ली is the capital of modern India, but no one knows about the fact that it has been the capital for more than 1000 years, although with some gaps. It is situated on the eastern bank of the river Yamuna. जो most अगर हम बात करें, the most splendid capital of all was built by Shahjahan. It was begun in 1639 and consists of four palaces, complex, and the city adjoining it. जो शाहजहां था, he made many splendid buildings in his capital. In 1803, the British gained control of Delhi after defeating the Maratha. जब महाराज को शिकस्त मिली थी, बट क्या होता है, it was developed after 1911 by British when Delhi became the capital of the British India. During the revolt of 1857 AD, it became one of the important centers of revolt, as जो बहादुर शाह जफर था, the last Mughal emperor, resides over here, and he was और उसको डिक्लेयर किया गया था as the leader of the revolt. But the revolt was suppressed and it was plundered by British. In 1911, King George V जो था, he was crowned in England, and it was decided that the capital of the British India जो थी should be shifted from Calcutta to Delhi. Two architects were called on to design New Delhi and its buildings. They designed New Delhi in modern way. It took around इसमें 20 साल लगे to build New Delhi. अगर हम पार्टीशन की बात करें, लाइफ इन द टाइम ऑफ पार्टीशन 1947 की बात करें, ड्यूरिंग पार्टीशन टाइम्स फियरस राइटिंग बिगन इन दिल्ली. हज़ारों में जो लोग थे ऑफ दिल्ली were killed, their homes were looted and burned. Large number of Hindu and Sikh refugees जो थे came to Delhi as a result of partition. और जो पार्टीशन हुई हिंदुस्तान की, पार्टीशन इंडिया इन 1947, इसने क्या इन लेड टू अ मैसिव ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, swelling the population of Delhi with a large number of refugees. तो इससे क्या होता है, this caused a change in the occupation of people and the culture of the city. Muslims who migrated to Pakistan were वो थे artisans से, petty traders से and laborers से. उनको क्या किया गया, they were replaced by Hindu and Sikh refugees who were rural landlords, teachers, traders, and shopkeepers. But these refugees were forced to change their occupations to becoming hawkers, vendors, carpenters, and ironsmiths. जो ये refugees थे, stayed temporarily in camps, schools, military barracks, and garden, as well as occupying vacant houses. जो बाकी थे, others were housed in newly developed refugee colony like जिसमें आते हैं लाजपत नगर एंड तिलक नगर. और जो ये बड़ी एक्सटेंट थी पॉपुलेशन की, चेंज्ड द सोशल इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ दिल्ली विद एन अर्बन कल्चर बेस्ड ऑन उर्दू, क्योंकि उर्दू बीइंग overshadowed by new tastes and sensibilities in food, dress, and the arts.